In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can auto-save your projects in Davinci Resolve 17. So this is pretty straightforward. So the process of how you do it is you want to go to the top left-hand corner where it says Davinci Resolve. Then you want to click on that, and then you want to go to Preferences. From here, you'll be on the System tab, but click over to the User tab and then click on Project Save and Load. From here, you have two options under Save Setting. Live Save, which saves every now and then, like every minute or so. I don't recommend turning that one on, but turning on Project Backups instead. And you can perform your backups, let's just say every 5 minutes. Hourly backups for the past 2 hours, daily backups for the past 2 days. You can leave that on there. And then once you've set that, just set it however you want it. I'll put it on every 5 minutes. That seems to be good. Then I'll click on save. And now to find your project backups, you have to, let me just save this as a regular project. So I'll just save it like that. And then go to file and go to the project manager, and here's my project. You just have to right click on it, and then you want to click here where it says project backups, and all your auto saves will be here. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Take care.